Hello sa lahat na nakapanood dito. Sa lahat naman nandito sa FB ko. Sa lahat ng tao na sinisiraan ko. And to those people watching this here. And Facebook, right? So, if you're just telling about many followers I have, right? There are people just saying that I'm scamming a person. So, no. If there's someone likes me, I just pull up message this person to stop bothering myself. So, I'm not doing scam a person because I'm not a scam. Hindi ko kahit kailan man nag-scam ng tao. Ayoko lang talaga nang may kinukulit-kulit ako. Bakit? Kahit sino man tao na nagpapahinga ka, tapos kukulitin mo, tatawagan mo na tatawagan, mabubuisit ka talaga. Ngayon, para madala ka, then how you to control yourself, then how to learn, become who you are, how you become, you stop doing a lot of those things that cannot be happens. What is that? First of all, you don't bothering a person if this one is a famous or etc. somebody else. And the second of this, more than a kupal, no? Means a kupal stupid person. So, how you to do that thing? Ask more money of them. And then if you're not stop, ask again and again. And then the third way, in a fucking bullshit way you do, and the third way you do, is, tawagan mo na tawagan. Call and call them, and then they stop you. And you will be relaxed after the end. Don't be hurt your feelings because you fall in love. Love is not true. Never be in love with fucking anything like that. Never be true in love. Bakit? Ba't ka magpapakalulong sa pagmamahal kung niloloko ko lang?
Totoo yan.
So, huwag mo
Wala lang yan.
I'll never be like that person, you think so? So, it's okay because you need to learn sometimes that all those people is not the same you thinking, do those thinking. Kaya kung sasabihin mo is camera ko, if you say si Budulong me, wala ka palang because I can provide this to be a simple person because I'm happy to be simple. Easy life, wala problema, no problems, is only yourself. Dibaga? So, if you just wanna marry me, all the person, you love this. My love is never paying. Hindi mo bibili ang pagkatao. You never buy me. You never pay me for a reason that to love you. Because my love is so not given to someone else. I give in to someone, only one I give. I know he was watching. Alam ko naman medyo. Isa lang ang tao minamahal ko sa buhay ko at hindi na pwede palitan ng kahit sino yun. Isa't isa lang sa puso ko, sa isipan ko. Kung sinong gusto kong puntahan at kung sino kung gusto makita at sino mga kaibigan yung mga vlogger dyan, alam nyo kung sino tao minamahal ko. Kung napapanood nyo to, alam nyo kung bakit siya mikat dito. Ng kilay, may height siya ng kilay. Alam nyo kung sino minamahal nyo ngayon. Kaya dapat alamin nyo, hindi lang ito for entertainment purpose. Ito ay for reality purpose. Reality purpose ay right? So it's okay lang naman, it's not your whatever. In the things that I've been going vlog, and I have creating a new vlog again. And you'll be supporting again. At sana naman nandiyan kayo sumuporta. So if it's not ready this year, that I cannot never met GBJ, then I know that all those the foreigners is so just only one is good for me. Yun. Sabihin, may isang tao lang nagpakatotoo sa reality. Hindi about sa random, hindi yun. Isang tao lang. Hello! Shout out to Con. And that's the last thing, Con. I don't need to say anything. It's Con only. And I'm never doing anything. Because I know it's too hard to in life. You just wanna help me, you just wanna be like that. You just wanna know me more. So you know me more. You know, sometimes people are just asking me that I'm doing that. I don't care about if my job is easy money or I don't care about that. People just do that too. Ano kasi naman? Hindi ako nag-isa sa mundo. Kahit lahat naman ng tao ginagawa yun eh. So kung may mali man sa nangyayari, kung gusto na isang tao ng mas madaling pera para kumita siya, wala ka na dun. Because I'm not only one type na wala ka na mamakla, diba? Oo, ako din. Single naman ako. And I'm just single and I do what I do. Right? Also, kung masama natin, I'm not this but everything. It's true. And I'm kind person and I know how to circling those things to play and all the plays are up to. So I'm so sorry what I did to you. But I'm not saying that you need to be love me. If you don't want to love a person like me, it's okay, fine. I don't care. It's many months there to be there with you. Those people watching this, hello, hi. And I know you miss me for a while time. And guys, it's too much to be have fun to having in a rainy season. Ibig sabihin, tuwing tag-ulan, parang naghahanap ka ng kaligayahan na hindi mo mahanap. Ano talaga nag-isip mo? So para sa akin, hindi mo dapat in-stress sa sarili mo kung lalo na kailangan mo gawin sa araw-araw. Sapagkat hindi maaari ka maging malungkot. You don't be a sad person. Go outside, go hang out with somebody, and you will be happy. Yo, masasabi ko. Eto, masasabi ko to all of those, ang aking kaligayahan ay social media. Wala akong kinikita dito. I'm not having money here, but I'm happy what I did. Because I'm a sad person, not a lonely person. That there's someone else singing in a bar that's saying that American that following me right now, he said, a lonely woman, I'm not a loner woman. I'm a loner woman, but I don't need to trust a friend in my. Ibig sabihin sa Tagalog, hindi masyadong titiwala sa tao, hindi natin pagkatiwalaan sapagkat hindi sila dapat pagkatiwalaan.
Wow,
fantastic, baby. Hindi sila totoo sa'yo sapagkat pag hindi ka rin matino, ikaw ang huli sa taya sa lahat. Ang nangyari na sa akin, many times I was repeating that love is not fair. Of those you need to do, love is not true. But if you don't believe, it's not true. Yes. And I'm back in the September, yeah. Naman, may yung tawag doon, may accents, yeah. For the September, I will sing this guys, and I hope you watch it, and I hope you will go there.